Hello, fellow gardeners. Today we're tackling a fun question. Can you grow potatoes in just a pile of leaves? No soil at all? Most of us plant potatoes in the ground, but what if we tried something new? The idea is simple. Leaves break down into nutrient-rich leaf mold, creating a fluffy, moist environment. Could this be enough for potatoes to thrive from start to finish? Let's find out by setting up a leaf-only potato experiment. We'll see if this method is practical or just a gardening myth. Leaves are nature's free gift, packed with carbon and perfect for building healthy soil. When they decompose, they feed worms and microbes, improving your garden's ecosystem. Using leaves for potatoes is a no-dig approach. No disturbing the soil, just layering organic matter on top. It's a gentle, sustainable way to garden. So, can a pile of leaves really replace soil for potatoes? Let's dive in and see what happens. Get ready for a gardening experiment that's as easy as raking your yard. Time to set up our experiment. Gather lots of shredded leaves, they break down faster and pack well. You'll also need seed potatoes with visible sprouts. Choose a sunny spot. Potatoes need at least 6 hours of sunlight. Lay down cardboard to block weeds, overlapping pieces with no gaps. Water the cardboard well to help it break down. Add a thick 6-8-inch layer of leaves on top and water again. Place seed potatoes on the damp leaves, spacing them about a foot apart. Don't bury them yet, just set them on their leafy bed. Cover with another 10-12-inch layer of leaves and water thoroughly. The deep leaf blanket keeps potatoes dark and protected. That's it, no digging, just patience. Your leafy potato patch is ready for nature to work its magic. In the first weeks, you won't see much above the leaves, but underground potatoes are sprouting and rooting. Keep the leaf pile moist. If it dries out, water gently. After 3-4 weeks, green shoots will poke through the leaves. As stems grow, add more leaves around them. This is called hilling up. Cover stems as they reach 8 inches tall, leaving just the tops exposed. Throughout the season, keep adding leaves as the pile settles and decomposes. Water regularly, especially in hot weather. When the plants turn yellow and flop over, stop watering. This helps toughen the potato skins for storage. The potatoes are now maturing in their leafy bed. Soon, it'll be time to harvest your crop. Let's see what we find. Harvest day is here, and it's easy. No digging required, just pull out the stems and brush aside the leaves. Potatoes sit right on top of the decomposed leaves or cardboard, like a treasure hunt. The yield is a bit smaller than soil-grown potatoes and the tubers are often smaller. Leaves don't release nutrients as quickly as rich soil, but you still get a decent crop. The potatoes are clean, smooth, and free of blemishes. No scrubbing needed. The flavor and texture are excellent, perfect for your favorite recipes. The real win, simplicity and ease of harvest. For anyone wanting a low-effort, no-dig method, this is a great option. While the harvest is lighter, the process is much easier. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Here's the verdict on growing potatoes and leaves. Pros: no digging, free use of yard waste, super clean potatoes and improved soil over time. Cons: lower yield, smaller potatoes, you'll need lots of leaves and you must keep the pile moist. Slugs and snails may also love the damp leaves. Still, this method works. It's perfect for new gardeners, those with limited mobility, or anyone wanting a simple experiment. You won't feed a big family, but you'll get tasty, easy-to-harvest potatoes. Plus, you're building better soil for the future. My advice? Try it with a few seed potatoes and see how it works in your garden. Gardening is about learning and having fun. Gather those leaves and discover your own potato treasure. Happy gardening!